In today's fast-paced real estate market, staying ahead means embracing technology. Welcome to the world of AI tools, revolutionizing the way real estate agents work. First, let's dive into AI-powered CRM systems. These are not just databases, they're your personal assistant, predicting client needs, automating follow-ups, and streamlining your workflow. Next, virtual staging. Gone are the days of costly physical staging. With AI, you can create stunning, photorealistic interiors that attract buyers from the first glance. But what about market analysis? AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data, from pricing trends to neighborhood developments, giving you insights that were once impossible. AI doesn't stop there. Chatbots can handle inquiries any time of the day, ensuring no potential buyer or seller slips through the cracks. And for the tech-savvy agent, AI-powered drones offer breathtaking property footage, giving clients a bird's-eye view like never before. In the ever-evolving world of real estate, AI tools aren't just an option, they're a necessity. Embrace the future and watch your business soar. Stay ahead in real estate, embrace AI, subscribe for more insights.